Hi my loves, welcome to a new vlog on my channel. I just thought let me pick up the camera and film what we're getting up to today. So my life is usually quite boring. I don't really get up to much. I'm mostly kind of at home all the time. So I mean, this is not really that much fun, but I just thought pick up the camera because at least we're doing something. We're getting out of the house. We are gonna go to Ikea. We want to get a standing lamp. We want to look at some plants as well. Have a look at the plants there, and then we're gonna pause for Costco, just grab a few bits. And then I want to go to the shopping center to pick up some sushi for dinner because I've been craving it since yesterday and I really want some sushi. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll take you along with us. So we have about a 47-minute journey to get to. So we're going to the one in Lakeside, and we have about 47-minute journeys because it's after work. So it's really busy and trafficy right now. That's why it's going to take a bit longer than usual. Yeah, but it's a Friday evening, so it'll be nice to do it today instead of tomorrow. So we have made it to Ikea and it started raining, and we're just about to order some food because we're starving. So we're gonna get some of the meatballs just to keep us going until we get to the food court to have the sushi. And now you can, I don't know if this is because we're quite late and it's, I think it's 6:30, but you can now actually order at these counters. So it's like kind of click and select, which is quite cool. We haven't been to Ikea in quite a long time, and these were not here last time we came, so that's quite cool. So this is what it looks like. We're getting 2 portions of the meatballs. And we're also getting, just get one individually. I think it's at the bottom. There. Yeah. It's so crazy how affordable this is, your pork.
Thanks.
It's so crazy how affordable the food is in Ikea. I think these were either 180 or £2, and they're really nice. Ikea meatballs are really nice. And then their cinnamon rolls were only 60p. The food is just so affordable. Oh my gosh, who knows these? They are so yummy. Cinnamon swirls or rolls, and they're only $1.95. If you don't know about these, then you need to get to know because they are absolutely delicious. We are now in the plant section, and oh my gosh, the plants in Ikea are so affordable. They're literally half the price of what we saw when we were looking online. My best friend told me to come here and check them out, and I'm shocked because online they were like around the £100 mark. We've got our eye on this one, which looks really nice. It's for the living room, or potentially that one. My mom said that apparently for houseplants they need to have a round leaf, not pointy leaf. I'm not sure what that's about, but yeah, they have so many good ones. So if you ever need any plants, Ikea is the place to come to. They've got these ones as well. They're really big and tall and really affordable.
This one's a very interesting one.
We are now in the light department, and this is the first one that you see as you walk in. Well, we are walking from the wrong way. We're walking from the wrong way, but I feel like this one is a bit outdated. It's not that modern. So they have other ones. You can see kind of loads more on display there. But I quite like this one. It's quite a rectangular shape, which is not that popular, I don't think. And let's see what else they have. Oh, that's the other one that I saw online that I quite like. I think this one's quite cool as well. This one's 85. And then they have this one. This one is really plain and basic. And then those are quite cool. These two are quite cool. Did we see the one we wanted? Oh, look at those as well. They also have this one. So these are the ones that we're looking at. So you can basically customize it, and you choose your base, and then you choose the, so you choose your base, your shade, and then whatever bulb fits. Oh my gosh, I just need to show you this selfie spot. How cute is this? Adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's an arcade machine, $659.98, including VAT. How cool is this? Yeah, I bet. And they already have their Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this. How nice is this? So this is $47.98 including VAT. I love it. And it comes in the gold and it also comes in the red. It's only September, but they've already got Christmas stuff in, which is crazy. Oh, look at these. I think these would be amazing to buy. How much are these? $33.58 for a pack of 78. How cute is this? Honestly, it's only the 1st of September and it's making me quite happy. So we are home now. This is the plant that we picked up. Ignore that, please. We haven't picked a pot for it just because we didn't like the ones that they had in Ikea. So we need to look for another one online to see what we can find. And here we have this little monkey. Yeah, he's gone. So I just wanted to share with you the plant that we picked up. The lamp is not up yet. We literally just got in. I'm absolutely starving, so we went to Costco quickly just before they were closing, and then we kind of just said, oh, we've been out for quite long, we've got this little monkey waiting for us, so let's just pick some sushi up in Costco and have that and not go to the shopping center anymore. Hey, you want to come here? So yeah, we picked up some sushi, which I'll show you in a second. We're gonna eat that. It was such a hassle to bring the plant in the car because it just wasn't the easiest. So I had to sit in the back and hold the plant just so it wouldn't go everywhere, kind of upright in a way. But yeah, that's in the house now. All we have to do is look for a pot for it. I might potentially pick up the camera tomorrow. I'm not doing much tomorrow, but I might just vlog anyway. I love vlogging. I don't know why I don't do it more often. I love the concept of vlogging, but I find it quite intimidating picking up the camera, especially when I'm out in public. But I definitely want to do it more often. Let me just show you the sushi that we picked up, and then I'm probably going to leave it here. We'll just set up the lamp maybe today or tomorrow. I'll show you whenever it's up. So yeah, let me show you the sushi. So this is the sushi that we picked up from Costco. It's not as good as the one that we were going to get from Wasabi, I don't think, but it'll do the job. So we're just going to tuck into this and then probably chill because it's quite late already. I think it's 9 o'clock. So yeah, I am starving, so we'll just tuck into this and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hello, so it's now the next day, and ignore the fact that I have wet hair. That's because I washed my hair. So it's currently about 2 o'clock. I did my makeup. We had a really slow morning, which was quite nice. I'm in no rush today. I don't have any major plans. So I washed my hair. I did my makeup. I just need to dry it and style it. Basically, I'm getting ready because I'm going to film a video with Lola Rose, which I'll show you in a second because they sent me one of their watches and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to do a video about that. I'm just making a coffee right now and I want to show you the milk that I use. So I discovered this milk recently, which is the coconut milk, but I really like the fact that it's the barista version and it foams up really nicely. I've got my coffee here, so I'm just frothing the milk up and then I'm going to have a coffee. So I'm going to make a coffee, dry my hair, and I'll show you the Lola Rose watch as well before I start filming. Actually, I also wanted to show you the syrup, the caramel syrup that I use is this one from Monin, the vanilla one. Oh yeah, this one's vanilla, it's not caramel. I usually use either caramel or vanilla, so I'm going to use this one with the coffee. So I foamed up the milk in the Arrowcino. I don't know if you can see, but it's really frothy. I don't think it's focusing. Let me put the vanilla syrup first. I don't really measure it, I just eyeball it. So I'm just going to grab a spoon and just get all the foam out. It feels so weird to vlog, honestly. I mean, I definitely want to get into vlogging more because like I was saying yesterday, I really like the concept of it and I love watching other people's vlogs. I find them so relaxing and it's a really nice activity to kind of watch a vlog at the end of the day or when you just want to have a casual day, a relaxing time. So I've made my coffee and I've actually replaced my oat milk, which I used to use Oatly for a couple of years, with this coconut one. I love the taste of it, but also I've heard from the glucose goddess, if you know her, that oat milk is not that great with your coffee because it creates spikes. So yeah, I've kind of replaced it. I did try almond milk as well, but I think I prefer the coconut one. It's really nice. Now let me show you, ignore my wet hair, it looks so weird. Now let me show you what I got from Lola Rose. Of course you will see it in a separate video on my YouTube channel, but since I'm vlogging, I thought it'd be really nice to kind of incorporate in this vlog as well and just show you what it looks like. This was gifted to me, so yeah, I want to be transparent about that, so let me show you what it looks like. So this is the gorgeous box that it comes in, and actually is really well packaged, as you can see. And then as you open it up again, it's really well packaged. Okay, so this is the main box that it comes in, and you can see just from opening it up, the box just looks such good quality. It's so exquisite. I was really impressed when I first opened it up. Of course, I've seen unboxings on Instagram and I knew what the packaging would roughly look like, but honestly the quality of it is so good. And this is what the watch looks like. This is the packaging. It's so beautiful, so nice. And it's even got a bottom drawer here with some information in it, and it's just so nice. I have literally propped you on the floor because I sit on the floor to do my hair, and I'm going to use my hair dryer, which I've had for the longest time. Actually, it's been a couple of years now, but I've always used GHD hair dryers. They're just honestly the best. I haven't used a Dyson. I don't have a Dyson. I don't know what the Dysons are like, but I'm very, very pleased with this. As you can see, it's such a gorgeous white color, and then it's got the gold detailing. So I'm going to use this hair dryer to dry my hair. So I've just finished air drying my hair, and as you can see, it looks very fluffy and it is quite straight now actually. So I need to figure out how I'm going to style it. I have this hairbrush from Revlon that I've seen girls use so successfully online. It makes their hair look so amazing, but every time I use it, it just leaves my hair looking so frizzy. And I don't know if I've tried to use this for so long and so many different ways, and I just don't think it's that suitable for my hair type. So I don't know, I'm thinking, should I give it another go today? But then if it leaves my hair looking really ugly, I know I have to film, so I'll probably fill you in on what I end up doing. But this is what my hair looks after hair drying. I forgot to mention that before blow drying my hair, I actually used this product on it, which is the Dream Wow Supernatural Spray Dream Coat. I think, yeah, it's called the Dream Coat from Color Wow, and I've been using this for about a year. I'm not sure if it does anything, but so yeah, it's running quite low. I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase it, but I think it does a good job. I just can't really see the difference because I've been using it for so long. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this run out and then give my hair a break of a week or 2 weeks and see if it makes a difference. And if it does make a difference, sorry, I'm holding like this because otherwise you can see my reflection, and if it does make a difference, then I'll just rebuy it again. Let me know if you tried this and what your opinion is on it. I'm really curious. So I have decided to go with this brush, give this one last chance. To be honest, I think I will regret it. This is the box that it comes in if you're curious, and I know it's really popular online and so many people love it. It even says on the packaging 30% less frizz and reduced heat damage, and I just find that not to be the case. I don't know, am I doing something wrong with it? But yeah, I'll give this one final go and see how it goes. So this is what it looks like. I think using it on higher heat definitely made it less frizzy, but it's just not ideal using the highest heat, is it? But this is the final result, and now I'm going to get ready to film, so I'll catch up with you guys soon. So I just thought I'd pick up the camera just to finish this vlog, because today has been kind of a nightmare. It's taken me about 4 or 5 hours to film a video that should have taken an hour or 2 hours at most, because I didn't realize that vlogging and filming at the same time is going to drain my battery. And then I put it on charge, I put the camera on charge, and then I realized the adapter wasn't on, so it wasn't charging. So it's taken me forever, but I'm finally done filming this gorgeous watch. I really, really like it. It's super nice, and it was so much fun to style it and show you what kind of outfits I would wear with this watch. But honestly, it's so practical and so versatile that you can wear it for any occasion, or even dressing it up for a special occasion. So it's super versatile. I am absolutely starving, so I'm just going to pop a pizza in the oven. I love the one from Crosta and Mollica. Maybe I'll show it to you. And quickly before my battery dies, because it's actually flashing right now, this is the pizza that I really like. It's from Crosta and Mollica. It's their margarita sourdough pizza, and they do other flavors as well, which I absolutely love. But yeah, this is what we're going to have for dinner. I just wanted to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I know this wasn't anything special, but I just felt like picking up the camera this weekend and kind of vlogging what I got up to. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and loads of fashion content. And until next time, take care and bye for now.